Dear colleagues, welcome to the next topic of the antibiotics basic training program, and today we are going to cover the basics of the antibiotics classifications. So each drug class typically has a unique mode of action. Bacteria in turn direct their defenses against these specific modes of action. So for example, an antibiotic, if it is an cell wall synthesis inhibitor, so the bacteria in turn would direct their defenses to fight this particular function of the antibiotic. Understanding why antibiotics fail begins with the classification of antibiotics and their modes of action. So let's begin to understand why currently antibiotics are failing by going through the classification and their modes of action. So these are the 5 functional classifications of the antibiotics, starting with the number 1. Inhibitors of the cell wall synthesis. So this particular group of antibiotic inhibit this cell wall synthesis. Second is the inhibitors of the protein synthesis. So proteins are present inside this cell and this particular antibiotic inhibit the protein synthesis. Third is the inhibitors of membrane function. Fourth are antimetabolites, and fifth are the inhibitors of nucleic acid synthesis, that is DNA and RNA. So these are the major classifications according to the functions of the antibiotics. Antibiotics are usually classified based on their structure and or their function. So structurally, their molecular structure, for example, we have heard beta-lactam antibiotics which are having beta-lactam rings. There are aminoglycosides. They vary only by side chains attached to the basic structure. And functionally, we have earlier seen how the drug works, its mode of action. So we have already seen the 5 functional groups, and these are all components of functions necessary for bacterial growth. So again, going to the previous slide, these are all essential part of the growth and survival of the bacteria. Cell wall synthesis is important to protect the integrity of the cell, protein synthesis to provide the energy to the cell, membrane function again to protect the cell wall, cell structure, antimetabolites to function the cell properly, nucleic acid to propagate the DNA and RNA. So these are the basic essential functions of the cells, and these antibiotics either inhibit or stop the process. So in these discussions we will primarily use the functional classification, but we'll point out where structure similarities also exist.